Hey everyone, this is AJ from Mobius. Today we're going to take a look at the Mobius TD15 dry trimmer. Assembly. Step 1. Remove the top cover from the machine and insert the shear band. Drape the slots and the edges of the shear band over the tabs on the left and right side panels of the machine body. Step 2. Slide the tumbler through the front plate until the motor hub protrudes through the cutout at the base of the tumbler. Twist the tumbler slightly to latch it onto the motor hub. Operation. Step 1. Use the handle on the back of the machine to tension the shear band tight against the tumbler. There's no need to provide additional leverage on the handle. Hand tightening is sufficient. Step 2. Install the top cover onto the trimmer and latch it in place. Slide the tote in along the tote rails. Using the blue handles on the top of the machine, tilt it backwards until the front of the machine is facing up for easy loading. Step 3. Once tilted backwards, load the TD15 with product, filling the tumbler approximately 1/2 to 2/3 full. Overfilling the tumbler will result in lower quality trim and slower processing times. Step 4. Level the machine back to horizontal using the blue handles and install the tumbler end cap snugly on the front face of the machine. Start the machine by rotating the timer knob to the desired runtime. Step 5. Once the machine is running, it's recommended to check the trim after approximately 3 to 5 minutes to ensure the desired trim quality is being achieved with the current shear band tension setting. Continue to monitor and check the trim every 5 minutes or so. Step 6. The machine will stop automatically after the chosen time has elapsed. Once the product inside the machine has been trimmed for the specified duration, remove the tumbler end cap and tumbler and deposit the trimmed product into a container of your choosing.